All right, you ready to style this front porch?
And profile it. Today we're at Julia Greer Phobes and Betsy Greer's business location, where we are doing some final container planting and styling their front porch for their business location and just kind of getting everything wrapped up for this project.
I'm Julia Greer Phobes, and I do fashion, art, and flowers.
And I'm Betsy Greer, and we're sisters, and I help her in this business doing fashion, art, and flowers.
So my husband and I bought this house about 8 years ago. We've worked, doing a lot of work on the inside, the outside. It's very different from what you see now. And Betsy and I have been continuing kind of building it as more of a business space for us.
Sprucing it up, trying to get things in the planners that we can actually use for work and different things that'll actually help us in our business. One of the main things we were excited about was redoing all of our beds, so when we're in the back in the studio making arrangements, we can just kind of pop out, grab things that normally we have to drive around town, ask friends permission
to
scavenge, to jump in their yards and cut things. So it was a really big deal for us to get some things planted that we can actually use and kind of redo the front porch, get it up and going to when we have clients.
Make it more presentable, and
because this is our office too, you know.
Okay, so y'all, the driveway looks amazing.
thank you. We're so happy with how it turned out.
We had our concrete driveway poured from Marcus. It was great, and I mean, you've seen it before with the rocks. I mean, there was no way to get things to and from our cars from the studio without carrying it. So now being able to wheel things down the driveway is
Huge.
a game changer.
It's really made our lives so much easier.
So thank you, Marcus.
You guys have done so much work since I've been here last time. There's a walkway in the front where you guys can get from the driveway to the front door.
We were really glad to have the whole side in the front yard replaced. It was just really mismatched and a lot of weeds, so we were happy to do that. And then getting the stepping stones coming from the concrete over to the front porch really just adds to the whole curbside appeal of the house. Plus, it's just functional for where we were wearing the path in the grass. Blake is one of our right-hand guys. He does a lot for us. He'll go on events, work jobs with us, but he also helps us kind of keep things organized around here, which is great. So he has been huge in helping us do some of the heavy lifting and manual labor it's taken to get this yard in great shape.
So the next thing we want to do is to plant these cryptomeria and softcrest mahonia right outside your door, so you can just pop right out and just clip whatever you need for your arrangements. So we got to get to work doing that. Are y'all ready to start digging?
We're ready.
Okay, let's go.
Cool.
All right, so we've got all these plants done. They look amazing.
Yeah, it looks great.
I love it.
All right, y'all ready to start styling the front porch?
Yes.
You have the rug?
Yes.
Your job was to get the rug.
Yes,
okay,
we got it.
I've got everything else. Let's go style.
Cool.
So you guys have the rug, so you're gonna bring that out. You guys grab the rest of the furniture. We've got chairs, we got table, and I've got like all the pillows and all the plants. So I'll go grab those out of the truck, and then we can start moving on getting assembling.
Perfect.
All right.
So let's go. All right, about there.
Yep, it looks good.
Are we gonna get some pillows for these?
All right, so the deal with the pillows is I went a little crazy buying pillows yesterday because I'd seen the rug that we had picked out online, but I had not seen it until today, so I wasn't exactly sure about the green and all the different blends, so you should see my truck. You want to see how many pillows I got in my truck?
Yes.
We have a choice. I
Yes,
like it.
You got choice. You got options, no doubt. All right, let's go see. All right, girls, you want to see what my panic shopping does.
I'm excited.
Absolutely.
Love them.
Yes. I was definitely not expecting Catherine to bring so many pillows, but
I'm glad she did. It really took us going through all of them to find the perfect combination for what was going to work right on the porch.
and I think we found it.
Okay, you ready for next step?
Yeah, we are.
All right, so I have some plants, philodendron to put there, and then I've got a tray, a candle, and then what about, do you have a container for the philodendron?
Yes. And then do you want me to get a vase as well for a little arrangement?
Yes, can you make an arrangement?
Mhm.
That'd be perfect. And
Awesome.
then maybe we can find one extra little thing and then we'll be good.
Okay.
All right. They just came up with this arrangement out of nothing. Went out in the yard, picked out some stuff, and made it into this amazing arrangement for the front porch. So impressive.
Oh my God, it looks great.
You like it?
I love this. I'm so
at those-
glad we used our planner.
Yes, it looks so good. I'm glad we found it.
Oh my
Those
God,
floral
love it.
arrangements are perfect. Let's put them on the tray.
Cool.
So we got a little guy. We got 3 different
Yeah.
sizes. You know, we love to have the three sizes and different levels.
Oh, that looks
Oh,
awesome.
it looks awesome.
Perfect.
Yay, a little piece of y'all on the front porch. I love it.
Great.
All right, so sign is next. We've got your sign.
Yes.
You haven't seen it.
No.
I haven't seen it. I'm excited about
good.
that.
I'm
It's
pumped.
gonna make it like the business.
It is. I'll get the drill and screws.
Okay.
Let's see it.
The big reveal. Dun dun.
Oh, nice. I love it.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really
And
cool.
I
it's
thought
just
it was gonna be round with the thing cut out of it, but it's actually
no,
all
it's
cut
just
out.
that. Yeah. So it's gonna patina, and then when we
Yes.
are ready for it to stop patina, we'll put some polyurethane on it. But until
Awesome.
then, we'll just hang it on the porch
Sweet.
as is.
Oh, and it's already got the screw hole. I mean, the
Yeah.
places for us to hang
Yeah.
it. Perfect. All right.
Catherine has been really great in this whole process. I mean, just kind of getting us together and getting it done and making it happen. So
And
we
bouncing
definitely needed
ideas
that.
back and forth has been really great too.
And she brought the pillows.
Really enjoyed working with a couple of designers on a project. It's always fun to work with people who you can toss ideas back and forth with and not just kind of like force your own design ideas on. We went back and forth on the rugs, the colors of the pillows, the textures, and their input, you know, made this product the best it could possibly be. Yep, that's me. I'm a white girl. That's miming. What about pillows? I brought a couple of pillows. Look, you gotta have options. And maybe possibly I panic a little bit about not having enough options. So I overbuy.